Guys, so I've been playing with Elmer's Magical Liquid a lot. I have made this lava lamp tumbler with glitter with Elmer's Magical Liquid. So please watch. I think it's pretty fabulous. Enjoy. All right, so today we're going to do another Elmer's Magical Liquid tumbler experiment. So what I'm going to do is mix up 1 ounce of magical liquid and then 2 ounces of water on top of that. So we're going to have 3 fluid ounces total. And you don't have to put all that in your cup. Put in as much as you feel like putting into your cup. And we're going to need a hollowed wall tumbler. And we're going to need, here's one of my hollowed wall tumblers. I get these from Michael's, and then I use a hot tool for putting a hole into them. I will link the hot tool in the description. They really do. It really is a better alternative than using the drill to drill them out. All right, so we're also going to need some glitter. I'm going to use these two from Recollections. One is a red, black and red, and one is chunky black, iridescent. Any kind of chunky glitter should work fine for this, but this is what I'm using for this project. Then what we're going to do is get a little squeeze bottle here, and we're going to mix up the glitter and the magical liquid solution that we've made. So we're just going to fill that up, put in our glitter. Put in as much glitter as you want. I'm not going to put too much in, probably about half a teaspoon. I don't want this super glittery. And then we're going to need baby oil as well for this. The baby oil I like is the Johnson's baby oil, but any baby oil should do. And we're also going to need a little bit of food coloring here. So let's get started. Now to start, I add the glitter to one of my squeeze bottles. And you can do this different ways. You can put it onto the top of the tumbler and tap it in, but I don't really like doing that. I like to do it this way. So we just add some of our glitter to the squeeze bottle. As long as the glitter isn't too chunky like the clay glitter, then this works just fine. And then we're going to add our solution to the other squeeze bottle here. All right, so we have our solution mixed up, and we're going to put in a couple drops of this cherry red food coloring. And then we're going to put this into the tumbler. So what I like to do with this is I just mix it all in with the glitter, and then you can just easily squeeze this into your squeeze bottle. Squeeze this into someone making a lot of noise outside and it keeps distracting me. You can just put your glitter and everything into this and squeeze it right into your tumbler, and it should just go straight in. And I will be back as soon as that's into the tumbler. All right, so we've got our dyed little glitter liquid into the tumbler, and now we're going to add our baby oil. So I've got this baby oil here. It's got a little bit of a color to it. I'm just going to add some more baby oil to it. I just pretty much just want to use this up, and I think it'll be fine. I really want it clear, but this should be just fine. By the time I actually get it in there, I don't think there'll be too much color left in it. I just really hate wasting stuff. So if you did want this, it's just a little bit of orange oil-based food coloring that I've used for this. So we're just going to fill this up with the baby oil, and I will be back when this is full. All right, so we've got our tumbler full of the baby oil and the magical liquid solution and glitter. So now I'm just going to seal this. I do have a really great video on sealing tumblers called 3 Ways to Seal Snow Globe Tumblers. I know these oil-filled tumblers are a little bit more of a challenge to seal, but typically putting a rubber plug in there and then using a Gorilla Glue dot and then adding the UV resin is the best way to seal these. I do have that video. It does show you how to do that, so do head over there. It is in my playlist description there, or I'll put it in the description as well. You have to forgive my being all over the place. I'm still sick and I'm just trying to get some videos out for you guys. And I will be back as soon as this is sealed. And here is our finished tumbler. I think this actually worked out quite well. It flows very, very slowly, but it does flow. What a great drip is that. And it's got glitter in the drips. Some of the glitter kind of comes out of the drips, but all in all, it's beautiful. Very slow drips. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I do like this one. I think it's quite fun. So, a ratio of 1 ounce magical liquid to 2 ounces of water seem to work just fine for this. And you're going to get really slow, nice drips. Thanks so much for watching. I do put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe. It really does help me build the channel. And thanks so much for watching.